Next, we are going to cut the uncolored part as a strips. Take a scissor. Please children, again I am saying, please get the help from your parents so that you couldn't cut your fingers. Now, cut the folded part like this. See, it should be the half. Likewise, do the rest. Now see children, we have cutted the thin strips only with the half paper. Now turn the paper and we are going to paste it one after the other like this. For that, I am going to apply glue over here only till this half paper. Now apply the glue over here. Then paste it one after the other. Let it dry. Let it dry for some time. So you can have like this. Next, flip like this. Now we are going to paste one after the other like this to form a base. Now fold the one paper and apply the glue on top of that, and paste the another strip. Paste the another strip on top of that. Again, check the glue and apply on top of that. Fold the next strip on top of that. Press it. Again, apply the glue and fold the strip on top of that. Do the same repeat the same process till you fold all the strips. Next, fold the next paper. Again, apply the glue on top of that. Paste the next strip on top of that, and the last strip, apply the glue on top of that, and complete it. See, now we have folded all the strips. Now flip it. You'll get like this. Now take the sketch pen with the cap and you are going to press it gently. Give a nice tap. So that all the strips will fix together. You'll get a thick base. So after that, now see, we have made the different faces on the sides. Looks awesome, right? Yes. Now we are going to fix the handle for the cup. Now take the leftover paper which we have used at the beginning. Now fold it into half and press it gently and release it. Keep this cup aside. Now with the use of scissors, we are going to cut the paper to make it half. Please children, get the help from your parents to cut the paper. Yes, this half is enough. Next, I am going to fold it, make in this direction. Then I am going to fold it. Press it gently. Again fold it. Press it gently and release it. Again fold it. Should be a thin strip. Now I am going to color this using light green on both the sides. Next, turn it on the next side. Yes, now we have colored the folding strip handle. Now take a pencil or pen or sketch pen and press it at the center. One thumb should be at the back and just knead it like this. Now on the next side. Just press it tightly and bring it to the front. Press it tightly and bring it to the front. See, now you'll get the holding part like this. Now take the cup and the holder. Now we are going to fix it. Now take this light green part and the holding strip. We are going to fix it like this. Okay, for that I'm applying the glue over here. And here on both the ends. Then I am going to fix it. Hold it for some time so that it will fix. Now see, we have made the beautiful teacup holder. You can place the weightless things inside the teacup holder like sharpener, eraser, crayons. Yes, I hope you all enjoyed it, children. Decorate your studying table using this teacup holder. Bye-bye. Meet you all in the next session.